Hi, today I wanted to talk a little bit about my garden and the pole beans that I've planted recently. And they're pretty much ready to be trellised. We're going to build a bamboo trellis in a little bit, and we'll show you how to do that and what we do to make it. Also, in the garden, you'll see that I have some pinwheels all around. Not only is it fun and pretty to have them, but it also helps the chickens not jump in the gardens as much. And I'm going to show you around the gardens, and I hope you enjoy it. I wanted to give you a quick tour of the garden. We're in Central Florida, and I've just recently planted some Seminole pumpkin, some regular pumpkin, squash, and what I was talking about in the beginning of the video is we have bush beans and pole beans, but the pole beans are ready to be trellised. You'll see some of them have some of the little vines coming, so they need to be trellised up. Eventually we'll do it for the peas as well, but they're still kind of tiny. We do everything from seeds. And I have some different flowering plants. We have marigolds to help with some of the insects and different things. There's my daughter. And yeah, so hopefully in a couple more weeks, you'll see some stuff coming up. And the tomatoes are starting a little bit, but not really huge. This is kind of fun. This is a little happenstance, I think, from chicken feed. We got a nice little sunflower that just came up, volunteered.
All right, we're in the path in our backyard that has a lot of bamboo in it. One of the cheapest, fastest resources around. So we're going to build a trellis for those green beans you saw earlier. They're about ready to start climbing. Jaden's going to cut 8 pieces. Is it 8 pieces?
Yes.
Yes, down, and I'll move him out of his way as he cuts. So go ahead, why don't you start chopping away?
Down there.
All right, Jaden got all the bamboo cut. Now I'm just going to take off all the little limbs and leaves. We're doing this green. You don't have to let it dry or anything. It will dry once it's made into the pieces. I have a little hatchet here, and it's pretty easy. All I do, never hit towards yourself like I'm doing.
Hi, as you can see, we are done with the bamboo trellis. We ended up cutting the bamboo to about 8 feet long, and so that way it has a good height for when the beans start growing. Autumn's going to tell us how we put it all together.
So we used zip ties to connect the bamboo together, and we cut off the tips just to make it look a little nicer.
And we ended up putting all the bamboo kind of across together just so it will hold a little bit tighter, and that way it'll be sturdier when the beans start growing. We hope that you learned something and enjoyed this video. Thank you.